Hello everyone, friends. Today I'll show you how to install shaders for Minecraft January 21st 11. For this, we'll use complementary shaders for Minecraft. I'll use these shaders as an example. You can use others if you prefer. Click on Files. An update has probably been released here already. Yes, version January 21st 11. Select it and download. Next, download the engine called Iris Shaders. Go to the first site and click Download Now. Download the universal Java file. Wait 5 seconds and it's done. Just 2 files, nothing else needed. Click on the folder. So these 2 files are what we need. Next, open Iris Shaders Installer. Choose the version, we have the latest. Click Install. Close it. Minecraft. Here you'll see your iris. There. Go to Installations, find our iris, and go to the Installation folder. Here go to Shader Packs, drop our shader pack in, and select it in Settings. This was Weller with you. Like and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, everyone.